Graph the line passing through the point -2, 3 with slope -1/2. We'll first look at our graph and we'll define our units. We'll let each dotted line represent 1 unit on each axis. So the maximum on the x and y axes will be 6, and the minimum on our axes will be -6. We can then plot the point that we know is on the line, -2, 3. From the origin, we move left 2 and up 3 and plot a point. We also know that the slope is -1/2. Slope is rise over run. So we can move from the known point, -2, 3, down 1 unit and to the right 2 units to get to the next point or another point on the line. In the same way, from that point, 0, 2, we can move down 1 and right 2 units to get to a third point at 2, 1. And we can continue in this same way, plotting additional points on this line. We then draw a straight line passing through all of these points, using arrows to indicate that the line continues on in either direction.